Hey guys, my name is Solo Gaming. This is my friend Ronnie.
Hi.
So today I will be talking about what was it again? Oh yeah, I will be talking about what I did in school today. I mean yesterday, about on the bus. So this is based on a true story. My friend doesn't know about it. And turn it down. And this girl named Autumn. What the fuck was that? Okay, whatever. This girl named Autumn. Me and my friend named Jacob. We started hitting the seat behind us because we were in a bus. And she said, "Can you please stop?" We still kept on doing it. And she's like, "Stupid Mexicans." And I'm like, "What'd she say?" And she's like, "Stupid Mexicans are freaking stupid." And I'm like, "Jacob, give me a paper." And I grabbed a big chunk of paper. I rolled it up. I spit in the middle of it and rolled it up. I threw it at her face. She didn't know it was there. And threw it at her face. And then she started throwing it back at us. And I threw it as hard as I can, hit her eye. It was funny what I did. And yeah. And then we got home. She got off the bus. Next stop, I got off the bus. And everything went well there. So let's go to a new spot. Okay guys, we are outside. I just put on my sweater. And
I'm here too.
oh yeah, my friend's here. I'm doing a nature walk video right now.
So
that's my room. That window was open. I was just right there talking about the autumn stuff. Oh yeah, this is our driveway. Going up. I live in a neighborhood. So this is gonna be a series one.
Oh God.
My friend is playing wall ball. Come on, we gotta go make a nature walk video. So yeah, so this is my first nature walk video with my friend. So we're walking down my neighborhood right now. My friend's right behind me. Where is he? There he is.
Yeah.
And I will be making videos with my friend named H2O Goes. Make sure to subscribe to him. But most importantly, subscribe to me. So let's do this. We're back. We just found these huge rocks. There's like 4 of them. Right there.
5. Yeah, 4.
Let's get on one. I'm on a rock. I'm on a rock. It's scary looking like this.
Really?
Yeah. I'm looking up and spinning.
Oh my God, it's scary.
And spinning.
I can barely balance on this.
This is my neighborhood. We just came from all the way up there. Let's get on those other rocks.
I don't think I can get on that one.
It's just, how do I get on this? Oh, there we go. There's a step.
Oh God.
This one's huge. I don't want to fall off and hit that. You'll get pictured. So let's go back to my house. We just got from those rocks over there. There's a car going right by. So we're almost there to my house. It's all the way down there. We're just passing by 3 cars. There's my friend's house down that way. Comment down below what you want me to do and everything. Like pranks. and pranks and everything. Like, yeah, like I said, pranks, funny videos. I can do anything. What you guys want me to do? What is that? Under light.
Oh, I don't know
What the hell?
like another light. And another light.
This is, we found this shit stuff. It's weird. Let's get back to my house. House is just right there. Right there. So let's go.